Hello everyone. Bitcoin mining is the hottest topic of 2021. Everyone wanna know how to mine bitcoins, how do bitcoins work? Is the earning of Bitcoin will be rising in future or it will be reduced? We are familiar with the countries like China, Algeria, Morocco, Saudi Arabia, where Bitcoin mining is illegal. But on the other hand, there are countries like UK, US, Brazil, India, and many more where Bitcoin mining is legal. The most important thing here is Bitcoin threatens bank and government. It also impacts environment. This is the main reason Bitcoin is banned in China. Here we will know. For now, Bitcoin is a hot trending topic. But what after 5 to 10 years or 15 to 20 years? Will Bitcoin stay a hot topic? Will miners' revenue will increase or will be reduced? In this video, we will know everything about the future of Bitcoin mining. So subscribe my channel and let's start. So let's start with the basic point. What are the effects on the environment? So if we focus on Cambridge Bitcoin Electricity Consumption Index from Cambridge University, Bitcoin is a bad impact on the environment due to electric consumption of 133.68 terawatt hour per year. If I say it in a more simple way, a single Bitcoin transaction has on average a carbon footprint of 549.74 kilograms CO2. That equals to 91,624 hours of watching YouTube. Yes, that's a lot. Here we didn't talk about machines that are running 24/7. We just talked about a single Bitcoin transaction. Or if we talk about the amount of electricity consumed by the Bitcoin network in 1 year, it could power all the tea kettles used to boil water for next 30 years in just United Kingdom. And it's not just Bitcoin, every crypto mining circle around the same number. And it's not just electricity consumption, there are other factors like e-waste, hardwares, etc. If we just talk about e-waste, Bitcoin mining hardwares become outdated every 1.5 years. As you can see in the Bitcoin Electronic Waste Monitor chart, how much e-waste is generated every year. The biggest point that Bitcoin or any cryptocurrency can become illegal in the future is because the effect they put on the environment. Here I didn't talk about the people tweeting or giving statements about Bitcoin, which played a huge role in Bitcoin rates. Because today or after 50 years, there will be people who will be in support or against Bitcoin. So I'm not covering this part in the video. And if you're wondering why, my answer is in every industry there will be people who just manipulate the market and love to earn. So I'm not covering who tweeted and who didn't. But in one sentence to give you an idea is, over the last year, the reason for Bitcoin reaching new heights was the Elon Musk tweet regarding Bitcoin. And Elon Musk is the same reason for the biggest fall of Bitcoin. As on June 4th, 2021, his breakup tweet regarding Bitcoin. So if you're talking about the future and the earnings, let's just jump into the past. Now Bitcoin is compared to gold mining as in late 1800. In theory, anyone with the knowledge and equipment can mine Bitcoin. And as gold, Bitcoin is a limited resource. As I said limited, there are and will ever only be 21 million Bitcoins. In 2009, mining one block would earn you around 50 Bitcoin. In 2012, you earned around 25 Bitcoin. As of 2016, it was 12.5 Bitcoin. According to the Bitcoin clock, and I quote, Bitcoin will reduce by half again in 2021. So let's jump on the interesting part of the video. What happens when Bitcoin runs out? As more and more people are trying Bitcoin mining, the Bitcoin will run out faster. The main reason of Bitcoin running out is Bitcoins are already issued, not like some currency that is printed and managed by some authorities. Experts estimate all 21 million Bitcoin will be gone as early as 2050. Some other experts say it will be as far as 2100 or so. And so far, there are more than 5 million Bitcoins that are lost forever. No one has an exact number because a lost Bitcoin looks exactly the same on the blockchain as one that is not lost. Right now, no one have an exact answer is Bitcoin will run out in future. But for next 100 years, Bitcoin will stay and double or triple its value. And the question is, if the Bitcoin supply runs out, is the currency will become more valuable, or will this cause a problem? Yes, in a way it will. But that's the story for some other video.